fancy schmancy. Cheers, guys. Is there something better than a beer out of the freezer, ice cold? Wasn't on stock for a very long time. We missed it. Is now deliverable for 1-2 weeks. I got quite a few of them to put them on stock. Fast flow tap is the most important thing for an engine. Otherwise it dies if it doesn't get enough fuel. So let's check it out. It looks pretty similar. October 2019. I still have the older version 2 here, the orange one. This is black. Let's get it out. That's the new, let's call it version 2 black. And that was the other one, version 2 orange. Red. It does look exactly the same, doesn't it? Plastic. This might a little bit thinner. (1910) 17 June. Oh, look at here. This is thicker. As this is cast iron or whatever. Something changed. This is thicker. This is smaller than this one. So it was changed. Yeah, same here. This small thing here. Thinner, thicker. This edge is bigger here. Yep. Looks like that this is a different producer for SIP. .8. Yeah, 1.5. 0.3 millimeters. Thinner. Doesn't matter. Watch my guide. This does not have to be metal. Cast iron, it breaks the same, so it's not an improvement. Don't know if you can see it. Same level here. This small tube here is normal, and at the bottom is the opening for reserve. You see, normal is a little bit higher than at the old one. So how about let's call this version 3. They have the same spring. This looks a bit different. How about also opening the other one there? Look at this. Fancy schmancy. The rotary disc. It's also different. And here's a SIP logo. Isn't that cool? The rubber is the same, drills also look the same. Just the rotary disc is a little bit different. I did find a difference. And so the rotary discs are the same as 5.4 millimeters. The shape and the depth is the same as 5.4 millimeters. The version 2, the version 3. But look at this. There's an edge. There isn't. This is straight. This is definitely the better shape for rotating movement of lever of this part than the straight one. This will tear out this at a certain point. This will not. And of course, there's a zip lettering on it. That's important. Here's new zip tab. Shall we make some measurements? It's pretty much the same as the other one. This is good. Yep. 26, exactly the same as the other one. Yep. That's the flow with the cover at the connector. Yep. 45 it is.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?